You want to know something that's absolutely wild? The fact that some doctors, with their audacity, their ignorance, their foolishness, decide that physical therapy should not even be considered. Neither should movement, active rest, none of those things should be even considered, remotely considered, when approaching your pain. I mean, why should they? Because we all know that everyone who's ever had pain, who's rested entirely and iced and not done anything, we all know how they feel, right? Better, isn't it? It's not. It's really not. Whether it's a fresh injury, an old injury, an intermediate injury, you have to get moving. Period. Any injury you tell me about, get moving. In one way or another. Total rest, ice, avoiding physical therapy or any movement medical therapy is a terrible, terrible idea. Unless you like pain, then you should definitely listen to what they say when it comes to complete rest and avoiding all movement and avoiding all physical therapy. Now, the reason why I say this, I had a patient who came to me, she had low back pain, and she told me that when she told her doctor about this, and it's been going on for a while, she's had this pain for a while, the doctor told her that it would be a stupid idea to do any kind of movement, and it would be a stupid idea to do physical therapy, which, that's crazy. Look, any doctor that does not promote activity or active rest or healthy movement or the seeking of care to get you out of pain, unless it's for a very specific reason, like there's some kind of systemic issues, but if it's just your musculoskeletal pain, something is causing you physical pain, not something that's dangerous, if you start moving. If someone doesn't tell you that you should start a movement program or a therapy program or something like that, you need to find yourself a different provider, because that ain't right. Our bodies need movement. It must move. The less we move, the worse things get. It's like when someone says they have arthritis and the doctor says, okay, stop everything, don't do anything. That is the worst piece of advice. When you have knee arthritis, stop squatting. That is the worst piece of advice. You have to move. Motion is lotion and brings all the commotion. Movement is medicine. You have to get moving. So when a doctor tells you to just rest, ice, and take it easy, don't do anything, to avoid physical therapy, to avoid movement, you tell them this: nah. And then you get the out.